day for the Redneck Garage. Well, in the past video, I showed you my new Ram Promaster, and I told you I didn't get all the options I wanted on it when I ordered the dang thing. So one of the options that I wanted was rear windows, because when you're working in the back of the van, a little bit of light is nice. Now, I'm probably going to put some of that perforated vinyl signage over it, but there'll still be light coming in. With a solid door, you get zero light. I bought rear windows for this thing. They look like they're not going to be too bad to install. You just got to whack a hole in the new van, which is awesome. Let's take a look. Alright. Well, this is what the rear glass will look like. Cool. And it'll just glue on right here, basically. And that matches up pretty much with the hole on the inside. Basically, you just urethane it on and you're good to go, so that's going to look great. And I'm going to be able to see out of the back of the dang thing. Nice. Uses a windshield adhesive, a urethane, just like a cheap windshield. And that's what I'll use to glue the dang thing back on. Let me tell you one thing, I'm 6'4", so you can, it's tall. It's tall. I've got to get a rear step for it too, I think. I've got the side ones ordered. This thing is a step. I mean, if you took a running start and jumped up in it, it'd be better than trying to step up. Alright, I took my Milwaukee jigsaw and cut the crap out of the metal there where it goes in, and it should just come on out. I've got tape on the other side. That's it. Alright. So that's it. Awesome. Alright, so we got a hole. What does that look like? Alright, so we got a hole on one side, none on the other. Funky. See what the glass looks like. That looks great. I want that urethane to bite really well, so I'm going to take a little 400 grit and just scuff it up a little bit where the urethane's going to be. Get a little bit of that gloss off and then wash it down. Alright, let me wipe it down. We'll be ready to stick this stupid thing in there. You want to make sure there's no oil from your hands or anything else on the glass. So clean it off. I use just a glass cleaner. Let that dry really well. Alright, here's the urethane. Once you activate it, it's kind of done. Once you open it, you got to use it pretty quick. But I use an electric caulk gun because, let me tell you, this stuff is hard to do by hand. I promise you. There we go. It's starting about ready to come out. This stuff is super thick. I'm going to put it on the glass. Alright, we're going to stick this thing up there and see what happens. Make sure that it's seated all the way around. Looks good. Wow, what a difference. I just got to let that urethane dry, and then I'll take the tape off and just take a razor blade and clean it up. I got a little bit of junk up here. I'll take wax and rubbing compound, wipe it off. There's your trick when you're putting these on. Don't go too far with your urethane, because I thought it went over a little further than it did. Nothing but a thing. Looks awesome, let me tell you. Looking from the inside, you'd never know it's not factory for sure. Now, the nice thing about this window installation is there's your guide where you want to cut. Bad thing is you got kind of a lip here, because that's a little pain. But I'm going to go ahead and start cutting, and as you cut, go ahead and put tape on the outside, and it'll keep it from flopping around.
Cut. Damn, put your own window.
Dude, did you get your hair cut again?
No, it was all sweaty and I just brushed it. It was weird.
There you go. Randy's hair.
I cut my ankles off with that.
Well, don't stand in the way.
What do you gotta do? It didn't come with any window, so you gotta put your own in?
That's it.
Okay.
Redneck.
That is.
What's up with you?
Now you gotta look like a pedophile man.
Shut up. All right, well, I couldn't be happier with the windows. They look like they came from the factory with them on it. They weren't that hard to install, and now I can order some signs.com perforated vinyl signage, because when you have glass on there, there's not many places to put a sign for your business. So that'll be a video coming up in the future. I got so much to do in this van. I'm going to get back to work. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.